Hey friends, welcome to my channel in Top Brain GK. On a high demand, I made this video about time zones in Union Territories of USA. I already uploaded a video about 6 time zones of USA. You can check that link in my description box. First of all, what is Union Territories and which are the UT of USA? Short answer, what is USA Union Territories? Territories is legally and under the US Constitution, it is simply a piece of land belonging to the US, but it is not a state and also it is not a country. Let's now focus which are these Union Territories. First one is American Samoa. Second is Guam. Third is Puerto Rico. Fourth is US Virgin Islands. And the last is Northern Mariana Islands. Before start this video, take a quick look on these time zones as we discussed in my previous video. Starting from east side, if Eastern Standard Time is 6 p.m., then Central Standard Time will be 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time will be 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time will be 3 p.m. Alaska Standard Time will be 2 p.m. and Hawaii Standard Time will be 1 p.m. Now, move on to time zones of Union Territories of USA. First, start with American Samoa. American Samoa observe Samoa Standard Time (SST). American Samoa is 1 hour behind Hawaii, and American Samoa does not use daylight saving time. Next is Guam and Northern Mariana Island. Guam and Northern Mariana Island observe Tomorrow Standard Time. It is written CHST. And Guam and Northern Mariana Island is 15 hours ahead of Eastern Time. Guam and Northern Mariana Island do not use daylight saving time. Next Union Territories is Puerto Rico and US Virgin Islands. Puerto Rico and US Virgin Islands observe Atlantic Standard Time AST. Puerto Rico and US Virgin Islands is 1 hour ahead of Eastern Time. Guam and Northern Mariana Island do not use daylight saving time. Now, learning the all time zones of USA, this is the easiest way. If Samoa Standard Time is 12 p.m., then Hawaii Standard Time will be 1 p.m. Alaska Standard Time will be 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time will be 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time will be 4 p.m. Central Standard Time will be 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time will be 6 p.m. Puerto Rico and US Virgin Islands will be 7 p.m. Now, if we are talking about Northern Mariana Time and Guam Standard Time, it will be 9 a.m. for next day. Northern Mariana Time and Guam Standard Time is very far away from normal US time zone. So, if Samoa, Hawaii, Alaska, Pacific, Mountain, Central, Eastern, Puerto Rico, US Virgin Island, it is the timing of same day. But if we are talking about Northern Mariana Time or Guam Standard Time, it will be next day timing. It will be 9 a.m. for next day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, do let me know in my comment box. Thank you so much.